Are the ants trying to get on your truck?
No.
Oh, where are they? Where's the ants?
Right there.
Are they trying to get into your truck?
No.
Are you going to let them in?
No,
No, Where are you going?
I don't.
Where are you going?
Snail poop.
That's not snail poop, that's bird poop.
Get it up.
That's gross. That's bird poop.
I don't like poop.
I don't like bird poop either. What should we do? Should we go around it?
No, I want to go other way.
Okay, let's go other way.
I want to go other.
Okay, go other way.
What's that? What? Where is that?
Just leaves.
I know what. That's snail poop.
That's bird poop.
Not that snail. That's spider.
Bird poop. No spider, just bird poop.
It's the track. It's the track on the way for poop.
You don't like bird poop?
Other way.
You want to go the other way, away from the bird poop?
Other way.
Okay. It's a good idea.
I'm going to
Okie dokie.